Kimchi is one of the most important parts of Korean cuisine.
And how did this classic Korean dish rise to the ranks of ultimate popularity? Here to show and tell us how to make traditional kimchi is Chef Sang Kim. Welcome to your morning.
Thank you very much for having me.
It smells so good in here. First of all, tell us, where does kimchi come from? It has an interesting history.
Right, kimchi, before the 1590s, this was the way kimchi looked. And what it was you can see there's no spicing in it, but it was only after the Portuguese missionaries came with the Japanese invasion in 1592, the chili peppers were introduced.
Oh, wow.
That's why you get this now. And that's the classic modern day type of kimchi.
All right, now over here, I'm seeing a lot of vegetables. So I have to guess kimchi has some health benefits?
It has incredible health benefits. It's really, all the probiotics, really, really good for your intestines, also for your skin. Helps with eczema. You wouldn't know from looking at me as I'm turning 64, but it also reduces aging as well.
Well, it's that fermentation process, right?
That's right.
All right, well, let's talk about how we make the sauce, first of all.
Okay, so what you have here is you have Asian pear, you have onion, you have garlic, you have ginger, you have sun-dried chili pepper, you have fish sauce, and then you have salted shrimp. And what you're doing is you're putting it all in here, and we're going to blend it. We're not going to do it because the base.
This is what you end up with.
This is what it looks like. It's kind of like a paste.
That's right.
Okay, now what do we do? This is the fun part, right?
Okay, and we've got our cabbage here, right?
Yes, you got cabbage there. So put on your gloves. Bring a quarter of the cabbage over onto your counter there.
Okay, here you go, Ben.
And then
Put the glove on the wrong
what you
way.
want to do is you want to rub the chili paste in between each of the leaves.
Ooh, it's like Play-Doh.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh, it smells really good.
And so
just
that's
smear it on?
That's right. Smear it on. This is your model slow food, but we only have 5 minutes. So
Okay, so
please hurry
smear
up.
faster is
So
what
you're
telling me.
supposed,
Okay.
you could take a very long time to do this, right?
You should be taking a long time.
Oh,
to
you
do
should.
it.
Now, explain this to me. There's a difference between tongue taste and hand taste. What does that mean?
You know what, Koreans, the way we talk about that is that, tongue taste is whatever, all the chemicals that you get from the palate experience. In other words, you can have McDonald's food and eat it, and it's all the way the chemicals interact with your mouth and your brain.
Yeah.
But with Koreans, because it's all about slow food, it's the way the hands work through cabbage, seasoning it like that.
Right.
Everything is slow, mindful, thoughtful.
So not like what we're doing now. Like
I'm
slow this down
nailing
by
this, by
like
the way.
50%.
Right, and give it a lot of love. Bring
Think
a lot of
about
love.
the people I'm cooking for.
That's right. And
All right,
kimjang,
mindfulness.
which is the communal celebration of making kimchi together, the way the two of you are doing,
Yeah.
is all about that. It's about sharing. It's about
So we should be
community.
like sharing
Yeah,
and
sure,
talking
we
about things
share.
while we do this. Got it.
Chef, are there
Don't talk about
Are there
politics.
ways to individualize this? I mean, this seems like a great recipe, but if somebody wanted to, can they make it their own by tweaking it a little bit?
Absolutely. Every single person has got a different recipe. Every family has a different recipe. You'll see that my recipe here, I simplified it a great deal because I know
For us?
Because we're,
Yes. For you, I put. I didn't put
I
as
think I
much
got a good one
spice
here.
because I knew Ben was going to be possibly eating it as well.
And I'm spicy
That's
enough.
beautiful.
Is that what you're saying? Okay. So now what we do? Now
you're
there's a
gonna-
jar.
That's right. You're going to put it in the jar.
Now, do we fold it? Do we break
Sure.
it?
Don't break it. Just bend it slightly. Put it in
Okay.
the jar.
There we
this
go.
is the way. This is the way we do
Done.
it over here. And then you can take off your gloves. But look at the traditional hanari. This is the clay pot here.
Say that again, hanari?
Hanari. And this clay pot here is before the days of refrigeration. We would put the kimchi in there and we'd lay it into the ground.
Okay.
And it allows the
How long would it
micropores.
set?
Good kimchi, you're looking at 6 months during the
6 months?
Yeah, 6
Wow.
months, and just as it starts
Well, you
to
weren't
get ready.
kidding. Slow food, like that takes it to a whole new level.
Right.
But this, how long would we do this for?
Once you put the cap on it, put it in the, let it ferment for a couple of days in room temperature. I would say put it in the fridge. You could start eating it about 7 days.
Okay.
later.
Okay.
And so-
Speaking
and
of
so-
eating, can we try some of this now?
Yes.
Yeah, so what would we do with it? Let's say we made this at home.
Right.
How would we share it with our guests?
Right, so you would cut it up like the way you see this cut up now, right? You may top it onto the noodles, right? Or you may put it on some mung bean pancake, and there you have it.
So good.
Fantastic.
You take this, I'm eating.
All right, to make your own kimchi at home, you can find the recipe at yourmorning.ca. Chef, thank you very much.
Thank you.
We'll be right back.
This is really good.